What a day we had today. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how we made over $425.50 from day trading Tesla stock. We're going to show you guys our entry, our exit, our full risk management behind this stock. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. And if you want to learn more about day trading, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. We teach you how to find undervalued stocks. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's like a college class. Check it out down below, and you guys can get 50% off by using code LEARN. Code LEARN. I'll see you guys in there, and let's jump into this. But before we do, let's have a quick word from our sponsor, which is the broker I use, and that is Moomoo. I know a lot of you are just getting started with investing, and one app that I've been using is called Moomoo. It's super beginner friendly, but still gives you pro level tools like live market data, easy to read charts, and news all in one place. And the best part, new users can get up to 60 free stocks when you open up an account with qualifying deposit. And honestly, that's actually why I tried it. And I've been using it ever since. Check out the link down below if you guys are curious. So if you're just getting started, the two things you need to do today: sign up with our school and sign up with Moomoo to get that ball started with trading. All right, enough said. Let's jump into this. So the trade we took today was on Tesla. So there's a variety of different ways you guys can make money off day trading. Some of you love momentum trading, which is very attractive because you're finding stocks that are squeezing up 50, 60, 70%, and you're trying to take action off that huge move. For me, no, I'm not that type of trader. It's very risky. I have a very hard time trading that. I do. Some of you do it well. I don't. The strategy I use is sticking to about 5 stocks. Really lately, it's just been one, which is Tesla, and just trying to become a master of trends of the stock. So what we saw here was a couple of things, right? The first thing I want to show you guys is the 5-minute chart. And this kind of helped set me up for the day because I knew sellers were going to be in control of this stock because of the trends here. You guys can see just this general downward trend. Obviously, there's no breakout on this. There's nothing other than pure sell-off at resistance, right? So you can see it hits it, sell-off, sell-off. So all these good short opportunities, really nice. The next thing I noticed was this trend right here. This trend just getting a lot of sell-off here during the market day, as you guys can see. So it hit these points of resistance. We just had a lot of sell-off there as well for the day today. So the next thing I always do after the market opens here, I want to see that first initial push. And that first initial push did not surprise me because of the trend. The next thing I do is I'm waiting for a new trend to form. So as this pops up, what you should always do is have the extended line tool on. And what I always do is I just adjust it like this, right? So you can see waiting for a move, in that direction. So always use the extended line tool to draw your trend lines for day trading. But after the market opened here, I went to the 1-minute chart because for me, I'm going to be in and out of the trades very quick here. So you guys can see that first initial push down, getting sell off, finding some support here. And then we saw this initial hit here. So I go, okay, we have a trend right in this direction. So then we see it hit, and we have good buying pressure on it, right? Because it's not getting sell off below it. So I go, okay, we have two approaches. One would be to enter here for a possible push up to the 324 area. The problem with doing that is I'll show you guys right now. So if we enter here, keep our stop loss just below it. The risk and reward, honestly, is about a 2-to-1. Right? Which ideally is okay. But for me, you want the highest probabilities. So you guys can see the push up, hit here, we had sell off. So what I'm looking for now, as this is creeping up, is a breakout above 324. Because if we get in here, we could go 324 to 327, or a short side where this breaks below the support of the stock. Right? So you can see we didn't have a candle form above it, but we had this first push down. That is that trend reversal that we look for. So took a great short here, keeping stops up here for a possible push back down to the low of the day at 320. Look how much better that risk and reward is, 3 to 1. So now here, as this stock continues to sell off, we get rid of this and we look for this new trend. Okay. And ideally, I'm keeping my stop now above this. And as the stock was selling off, what I was doing was a little different than I normally do. Today, we averaged down, which normally I don't do. But one of the things I was hoping for was a lot of sell off, and I wanted to guarantee profit. So as the stock is selling off, right, getting in at 324, took a little bit at 322, taking a little bit at like 319, giving an average price of around 321, making $400. So we also looked, we didn't just look at this, we also had the MACD up, which you guys can see here. Let's go ahead and draw this back out so you guys can see. So you guys can see that great crossover where we had the orange signal line break down through that MACD line, continue to rally its way down, forming, a lot of new trends. And looking back, what I should have done is drew a new trend line as we had this, but missed the boat on that, and that's completely fine because then our exit would have been at 319, making a lot more money. But it's all good. We made good money today, and that's exactly what we want. Stress-free, easy. And we also obviously used the MACD, the RSI I didn't even bring up, but the RSI trading at a 60, trying to exit at a 15, which was an absolute beautiful trade. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe. We'll see you guys tomorrow in the next trade recap. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, follow, and we'll see you guys in our school. And don't forget to sign up with Mumu.